Welcome to Gears Canada, where your adventure is our mission.
Introducing the Gears Pro Shelter Garage, the perfect solution for hassle-free parking and all-weather protection for your motorcycle or snowmobile. The retractable accordion dome design makes opening and closing effortless, eliminating the struggle with traditional covers. Crafted from heavy-duty Technolast Polyester, this shelter shields your vehicle from wind, debris, dust, and snow. The UV-coated fabric blocks harmful sun rays, preserving your paint job over time. Assembly is straightforward and can be easily completed in around 45 minutes without any special tools. The powder-coated steel tube frame is rust-resistant and built to last. It includes a grounding plate with anchor pegs for added stability. For outdoor setups, adding interlocking outdoor tiles provides a solid foundation. These can easily be sourced from major retailers. Ventilation flaps allow air circulation, preventing mildew and letting hot exhaust fumes escape, so you can park immediately after a ride, even in the rain, without waiting for your vehicle to cool down or dry off. For enhanced security, the Pro Shelter Garage can be locked using two standard padlocks, one on each side. Note that padlocks are not included. While the Gears Pro Shelter Garage is water-resistant, applying a silicone sealer to the seams achieves full waterproofing, available in medium and large sizes to accommodate various vehicles. This mini garage is versatile and can store your motorcycle, snowmobile, PWC, bicycle, lawnmower, or anything else that fits. Refer to the general dimensions for sizing guidance.
So what are you waiting for? Add to cart and go seize your adventure.